In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logos and pictures to a signature in Outlook 2019. This is a great way to personalize your emails and make them stand out, whether you're sending a professional message or just adding a bit of flair to your personal correspondence. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, let's head over to your mail. Open up your Outlook 2019 on your computer. Once you're there, you should see on the right-hand side a gear icon, which is a universal symbol for settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings menu. This menu is where you'll find various options to customize your Outlook experience, but today we're focusing on signatures. Once you've got the settings menu open, you need to click on Account to access your account settings. It's pretty simple to find as it's listed clearly. Now within the account settings, you're going to look for signatures. This is where we can start creating or editing your email signature to include those eye-catching logos and pictures that you want to add. Next, it's time to create a new signature. You should see an option to create a new one or choose an existing one if you prefer editing it. Click on that to open your blank canvas. Here is where you can type out the text you want in your signature, like your name, title, contact information, or any other details you want to include. Now comes the fun part, adding images. Look for the Insert Pictures option and click on it. This will allow you to select an image from your computer that you want to include in your signature. Perhaps it's a company logo or a personal branding image. Choose an image that's appropriate for the type of emails you will be sending. Once your image has been inserted, you may find that it's a little too large or too small for your liking. Don't worry, it's easy to resize it. Simply click on the image and you'll see resizing handles. You can click and drag these handles to adjust the size so that it fits perfectly within your signature layout. If you need to highlight any part of your signature for emphasis, perhaps the text or part of the image, use the highlighting tool to do so. This can help certain parts of your signature stand out more and catch the reader's attention. Finally, after you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure you hit the Save button. This will save your new or updated signature with the logo or picture you've added. Now, every time you send an email from Outlook 2019, it'll include your customized signature, adding a polished and professional touch to every message. And there you have it. By following these steps, your emails in Outlook 2019 can have a more personalized and professional look with logos and pictures in the signature. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.